Yeah, na ene den eko.
Render dear. Bullet now some my news no.
Bullet.
Aye.
O se den bi mu.
Bullet ni when the share semiana. Bullet asamba say asam na de bia mo kasa oni when the share called and oni when the share say mo bisa ne sa o se bibia ankoso mo bisa when the share o se bibia ankoso mo gusu bisa ade na mo gusu bisa wa brem o se de my ni na mama na say in relationship on the girlfriend relationship ma say no
na no say anything say
bisa chese mo den so
it a man affect you no ni relationship and kasa
ni girlfriend relationship me to post you on Instagram my name Pachome video bro na ma translate right I say these bloggers and journalists don't know what they have put some of us through when they publish stuff like Bullet has been sleeping with his artists etc. You people just ruined my relationship with my girlfriend right now. I have worked with several women both underground and mainstream. I dare any woman I have worked with to come out with evidence. If indeed so, I dare you to put it out there. This nonsense must stop. Focus on promoting my works, not my relationship. Yes.
Bloggers are some the workers of a country.
Minim say, no na maybe or not kasa nim say bibi wo munti na we free mu a. And I ni bloggers in aye. It could be either way. Either say bibi wo ho na ya che no. E no de ba share bloggers.
Say obi e wild note mi nya lady no so so a anka ebe hu de e kopa.
What you say maybe ya che no na o di kan aba be ka say. Say o de share dia.
Yeah, eno so ho pa.
Na one so. Na one so ho say wa sign it tisha.
You know the men's gold guy and
yeah was I need to send a men's gold for say hey then one years ago now you try now sign it
but this man you don't pay your people finish you go sign somebody
show you what for the way pn nam e signing for na one then yeah,
but that man you get boss power.
The question is why? I mean, how?
I got there to them crying about for me. One can what me John.
Stop down. And ancestors jintia. Now one other.
Oh, Debbie.
The man's gold for say. Now one other na won't see a car. And the crime reading headline be say Musikana Dubai winning and Sikanaba Betua. $39 million.
On your word.
I'm also at the open letter to Abontin. Say the fact say xylophone men's gold yenedia doesn't mean say back or yet more back until was a back on Yasika. And no sanka say or say on Yasika no for Monty. Tisha now was signing. Okay,
so now it's a deal. You know they are pesca to come and pay. Okay, you. Yeah.
Someone who say men's gold and xylophone.
Two different entities.
Two different institutions all together.
Obina can say kokone de
let me just quote from what he said. To say that men's gold and xylophone are one and the same is it's a very low shot.
Oh, okay.
A child and his or her sibling may have the same biological parents, are obviously from the same family, but are two different individuals in every aspect. And in any case, if one is indebted and does not get productive, how does he or she expect to generate income to service or pay off the debts? Into oye juma.
Anyways, let's see how it goes.
Oye juma no dey about betua monti yan share latest by maybe 2 months and 3 months. Yan share. Musika no. Ebeba. Na donzi so kasa. Donzi kwa mete ne ka che.
Donzi mete ne ka che.
Donzi so I hope you are fine.
Now send me some pictures be some I say prison be be near
I think it was a music video ne family. Yeah. Now don't just wait tweet you saying hello and what tag na Nekufado atage Kojo upon Kroma. Say if an evacuee is able to pay for his or her airfare and mandatory quarantine fee, that's 550 Ghana cedis and 650 Ghana cedis a day for 14 days in these difficult times, then they are not stranded and they just want to come home. The real stranded Ghanaians out there cannot afford it. So
when I heard that thing, I was like, because honestly, except Obia Onimo going to Muasem. Sometimes ubetimi atu kwa betimi akwa kopie baby now share pa usika aka wo ho at that time and Charlie it be some way so imagine so obi akọ now lockdown inti waka for all this while. And now it's about time say okay enya kwan ebetimi de waba but you need to pay this amount. Charlie enya better.
Yeah, so I think I agree with him too. I agree with him too. Your nkofo how was say and was say opeka say wo the plane e kwa kofa for them. There are other people, there are other Ghanaians there and don't do so na asem no.
Alright.
And that fella no.
That's a pa. That's some juicy fella right there. And I carry a dharma yeti. All right. So yemfa esiana nyame adon for the account trust but real quick you fast them proud sponsors on boy my ETA filler.
Manex discover desire.
Manex a member Manex a member diabunie Manex Kenya Bema Tria Bema so one low sperm count what do I need Manex a sounds of my horse a pema ujna wo naso pinti sounds sooner edin Kenya ba ni pedrium ma ujna wo naso kreme enti aya ama member kwa se wo pe enro dudu atua ko shop pharmaceuticals asalam down ubenye bi pharmaceutical shop PM Anafre
020-812-9841 and 024-943-6756 and 030-222-0